Hello, lovely souls, and welcome back to Elevate Studio. Ramadan Mubarak. To celebrate this beautiful and blessed month, I wanted to create a small gift for our community, something to help us create space for what truly matters. I know Ramadan can feel overwhelming sometimes. We have so many intentions, but it's easy to get lost in checklists. So, I designed this Ramadan Hub not as a tool for spiritual productivity, but as a peaceful sanctuary for your worship. It's completely free and it's my gift to you. So let's walk through it together. When you first open the hub, you're greeted with this calm dashboard. On the left, we have a space for your high-level intentions, your Ramadan goals, a place to write down what you truly want to cultivate this month. And on the right is your daily guidance. This is my favorite part. Instead of a long, confusing list, each day has its own simple card with just 2 things to focus on. A gentle good deed to do this, and 1 habit to mindfully avoid. It's a simple system designed to bring clarity and intention to your day, without the decision fatigue. Next, we have the Quran reading shelf. I wanted to create a really beautiful and motivating way to track our connection with the Quran. Here, you can track your reading, you can set the start and end page, and as you update your current page, this beautiful visual progress bar automatically fills up. It is so satisfying to watch it grow, and it's a much more tangible way to see your journey through the holy book. Below that is your daily Ibadah tracker. This is a very simple, non-judgmental space to mindfully note your fasts and your daily prayers. Just simple checkboxes in a clean table, designed to be a gentle reminder, not a source of pressure one. I've also designed simple buttons to help you with this. Each day, click on the New Day button so that new row appears for you. Next, you can simply check the boxes, or you can click on Done All Prayers so that it check all prayers all at once. I've also designed 2 buttons to simply add your daily istighfar or salavat count. To help with the practical side of Ramadan, I've included this simple kitchen corner for your suhoor and iftar plans. I intentionally avoided a complex database here. Instead, you have these clean, weekly toggles. You can plan your meals and then tuck them away to keep your space feeling calm and uncluttered. This next section is the heart of the hub, the Dua and Munajat corner. This is your personal sanctuary. On the left, there's space for you to write down your personal dua list, all the things your heart is calling for. And on the right, you'll find an embedded video for the DOI of the day to help you connect, and a simple reference list of common decor for moments of remembrance. It's all here, in one peaceful place. And as we go down, you'll also find a quiet corner for reflecting on the 99 names of Allah, and some quick navigation links to jump to any day you need. And that's it. A simple, gentle, and hopefully beautiful container for your most intentional Ramadan yet. It's designed to feel like a deep breath, a space that serves you and doesn't overwhelm you. To get this template for yourself, all you need to do is click the link in the pinned comment of this video. It will take you to the page where you can duplicate it right into your own Notion workspace. It is completely free, from my heart to yours. Wishing you a month filled with peace, presence, and immense blessings. Thank you so much for being here.